home. Good start, keep it clean. Nose to tail. Andrew opens the door a little bit there, but quickly shut it down. Another pretty pass, 58 yards for a touchdown. What is happening? Matt all over Andrew. Third place, big coachy, Ronnie, Anthony. Meanwhile, up front though, real close. Andrew has got a lot of wind this year under his belt. Opened the door a little bit, but then crisscross trying to get through Anthony there for a split second back that lead. All sorts of pressure on Andrew here. Oh, they're taking lots of trucks in front of your leader. Look at them all battled back here. Oh my goodness. 5 trucks in front of your leader. They're both racing hard. It's Bentley, Jacob, Anthony, Ronnie, and Phil. They're all reaching a position in front of your lead cars. You see the strawberry banana and the purple truck. Give me some room. And then get back to it. You guys are having a great battle for third. Between 5 trucks. Andrew picking his way through. Matt right there behind him. They're coming up behind Phil and Ronnie Wint. Ronnie with a little bit of a love tap right there on the pipe. Ronnie lets both do a nice job. Jake Poteet is in third. The only one on the lead lap is Matt is not letting Andrew go. 3:45 left to go on this one. Oh, side time the doubles. Quickly got back in line. Poteet in front of him, the last one on the lead lap. He's going to let him go. Behind them, it's Jacob, Ronnie, Phil, Anthony, Bentley, and Bo. And your top 2 have some clean air for a little while. Pretty good race up front. Oh no! That just hung up a little bit. Gets back to it. Andrew finally can take a little bit of a breather. Bentley, that's second place. Good job. Thank you. So, halfway through this one, we finally have a break in the front end action. Phil's going to have second place behind him, and Anthony, you're going to have the leader behind you. Meanwhile, Phil Palmer now is third. Poteet and Ronnie Wint 4th and 5th. The white pink truck right here is now 3rd place. Andrew being very patient behind Bentley and Ronnie.
A couple of weird things going on.
2:20 on the clock. Jake with some big trouble there. Gonna lose some time.
No, just like if I'm constantly going to
let it again.
flips me right over.
That's it, a little bit of ground.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
13-6 to a 14-9, so a second and a half. Right there, one lap is Andrew.
You guys are just flipping me over turtle.
Trying to kick these guys off.
So I can't.
Max has the luxury of some clean racetrack. Now 3 more cars in front of you, including Bo.
Oh, no, it makes a great fight because then the time to touch the ground.
Anthony Santee.
The buggies make a great press.
Now Ronnie and Bo have second place behind him, so Max slows it down from the straightaway. Bentley's going to have first place behind him. Andrew being very patient right there. That could have been really bad, but he let up just enough to make sure he made the double. Bentley, that's your lead behind you.
I won't do that.
There you go, good job. Ronnie's getting that second place, and that is working his way back up there. Andrew probably had more work to do with the lap traffic than Matt did. And now they've got some clean racetrack. Phil Palmer still doing a great job in third. It was For a little while there, Jake's third place, and now it is still. So he's got a pretty good lead over Ronnie and Jake coaching having a battle back there for fourth. Straightaway between first and second. Under a minute left to go now. 45 seconds on the clock. Ooh, Andrew got a little swirly. Had to check up. And that's it right there. Put his nose on him.
I'm like that.
Only.
Have this all day.
Bentley had the leaders closing on him very quickly here. 30 seconds left to go. And that got a little wonky, a little huckabuck. Probably two more left. Good job, Bentley. We need one more. And that's closing again. He's going to have to find it somewhere. He is sending it. Oh, good job. Good job. Oh, it's close, but no. Andrew will hang on for the win. Owen's going to get second. Great race between those two. Good fight. Phil Palmer will get third. Woo. Then, it was Ronnie Lent, Jake Posey, Anthony Sansky,